Local Law 191, does your commercial building need a carbon monoxide detector? Local Law 191 amend the Administrative Code of the City of New York and the New York City Building Code. The amendment is in relation to requiring carbon monoxide detectors in commercial spaces. This law goes into effect on January 1, 2021, and is based on the statewide Stephen Nelson's law. LL 191 requires existing commercial buildings with fuel-burning appliances and fire protection systems to install CO detector. Occupancies in Group A1, A2, A3, B, or M to install carbon monoxide detectors by January 1, 2021. This will cover the following types of occupancies. 1. Indoor public assembly spaces except for in or sporting arenas, which fall under A4. 2. Office spaces, including certain libraries and educational facilities. 3. Restaurants, since they can fall under either public assembly and Group B. 4. Stores, including department stores, drug stores, and other retailers. While carbon monoxide alarms or detectors were already required in residential and certain institutional occupancies, commercial buildings had long been exempted from the installation of detectors. In fact, that any enclosed space with fuel-burning appliances can pose a risk of CO poisoning. But a 2014 carbon monoxide leak in a Long Island restaurant, which killed restaurant manager Stephen Nelson and sickened 30 others, made the oversight tragically apparent, leading to Stephen Nelson's law in 2015. Does LL 191 apply to your building? This is the first question that requires an answer. To find out the answer, one should perform the zoning analysis. We find out the website which does basic zoning analysis. Go to www.nicvio.com and select from menu Zoning Analysis. Enter your building information and it will perform the basic zoning analysis. Check if your building falls under the required occupancy group for the installation of a carbon monoxide detector. The next question which comes to mind is, where are CO detectors required? Following are the locations where a detector should be installed. 1 room containing fuel burning / co-producing equipment, except kitchens. 2. Any corridor on the floor where said co-producing equipment is located, as well as 1 story above and below. 3. Any corridor on a floor where an enclosed parking lot or a loading dock is located, as well as 1 floor above and below. 4. Offices or booths located within said enclosed garage or loading dock. The next question is, what kind of CO detectors are required? As per Section 908.7.3.1 of the 2014 NYC Building Code, CO detectors under this law must have built-in sounder bases to transmit a signal to a central supervising station, initiate an audible and visual supervisory alarm at a constantly attended location, 4. Shut down the co-producing equipment if located in the same room unless the source is a generator. 5. Be installed in accordance with NFPA 720/2015 edition, as modified for New York City. 6. Be listed in accordance with UL 2034 and UL 2075. How do I get this CO detector installation approved? To make sure that CO detection system plans and specifications are properly designed and installed. NYC Building Code requires them to be developed by a New York State registered design professional. Where should I file the application? Since carbon monoxide detectors fall under fire protection systems, you'll have to file a fire alarm application with the FDNY through their FDNY business portal. Any recommendations? With the January 1st deadline looming, time is of the essence. FDNY review timing is estimated at 6 to 10 weeks for completion of initial reviews. Additional 6 to 10 weeks may be required for resubmissions in case of objections. To design or file your carbon monoxide detector, please contact us at info@tr1night.com.